Coast TV News, First Alert Meteorologist Chris Mastrobuono with this latest edition of Weather 101. Hope everyone had a wonderful holiday season as we are now in the midst of 2026. We'll put a bow tie on 2025, looking back on some more notable weather occurrences that we had throughout the Delmarva Peninsula throughout the year. And you can see here from this graphic, we've had a wide range of weather, some many extremes, beginning with the first there. The warmest day of the year was back on the 25th of June, where we recorded a temperature of 101 degrees. And if you remember, that kicked off, it was a pretty hot stretch. We had actually 2 consecutive days where we hit the century mark. We hit 100 on the 24th of June, and we actually hit 99 on the 23rd. So it was a hot stretch early on in the summer. And you can see the lowest temperature recorded throughout 2025 was 6 degrees back on the 23rd of January. And all my snow lovers know when that snowiest stretch was. That was kick off the year last year. We had 14 inches of snow. Remember, we had upwards of over a foot throughout much of Sussex County, portions of the midshore and eastern shores, and that was around the 6th of January through the 7th. The wettest month of the year was September, where we picked up over 4.5 inches of rain. And some of you may remember, it seemed like it was raining every weekend in the summer. And, you know, I would work weekends and we'd have thunderstorms fire up along the coast. And it was a stretch there throughout June, July, and August where it seemed like we were getting rain every weekend on Saturday and Sunday. And then it would be sunny and dry on Mondays and Tuesdays. And then we had those 2 confirmed tornadoes back on the 16th of May. We had that Bethel tornado, that EF1 that pushed through western portions of Sussex County. And then we had that brief unwarned tornado back on the 30th of June. So we had 2 confirmed tornadoes in Delaware. We only average about a tornado a year throughout the whole state of Delaware, and overall the last 5 months of 2025 averaged below average. So there you go, as we rounded out the year, and now we look ahead to 2026. What will the year bring? Well, we'll be here to provide you all the latest weather and keep you up to date and abreast of any developing weather throughout the year. So hope you continue to stay tuned to Coast TV News and the Coast TV Weather Team as we make our way into the year of 2026. Hope it's a happy and healthy year for you all.